A meth trafficking case concluded in Saskatoon today that could actually set a precedent when it comes to sentencing. That's because there really isn't any case law for high-level meth trafficking sentences in Saskatchewan, even though the drug plays a huge role in our criminal justice system right now. In this case, the Crown is asking that Anita Lynn Favreau serve an 8-year sentence for possessing meth and cocaine for the purpose of trafficking. The charges stem from an investigation in 2015. Favreau had been dealing drugs from her home on Garrison Crescent, where a man was actually shot and killed during a home invasion in October 2015. But the Crown says not even that was enough to stop Favreau from selling drugs. Court heard that she would get kilograms of meth and cocaine from suppliers in Edmonton and then bring the drugs back to Saskatoon, where she would supply mid-level dealers. Favreau also sold drugs in several communities and had drivers, drug runners, and even a debt collector working for her. And the Crown says this proves that the operation was structured, sophisticated, and ran as a business. Now, the defense is asking for a 3.5-year sentence, describing Favreau as an addict who is just trying to rebuild her life. She said that Favreau is also not connected to any gangs, and there's no evidence that she was a violent drug trafficker. The 44-year-old woman will remain out of custody until her sentencing next month. And in other drug trafficking related news, the leader of Saskatoon's Terror Squad street gang pleaded guilty earlier this week to trafficking cocaine between 2014 and 2016. Darren Craig Harper entered the pleas during what was scheduled to be the first day of his trial at Saskatoon Court of Queen's Bench. He was arrested last year during a police raid where hydromorphone, fentanyl, and cocaine were seized. He'll also remain out of custody until his sentencing hearing in January. As always, you can read more detailed accounts of these stories and more at thestarphoenix.com.